So alright guys, now in this video we are going to sign up a new user into the Hack the Box. So you cannot create a new user normally with the email, so you need to solve a challenge to get the sign up page. So click on this join now. You can go to this website hackthebox.eu. So let's do this. So they are telling hack this page to get your invite code, and so let's view the source code. So it's in one lining, it's a one liner. So let's right click and inspect this one. So there is the front end min.js and invite API dot min.js. So this API may be used to get the invite code. So let's right click on this, copy link address. Now open this in a new page. Now we have got some JavaScript function and it's saying obfuscated. So is it obfuscated? So you can see here there is a packer. So packer means in general is used to pack something that cannot be understood by the human. So you can see here it's very tough to read this code. Okay, before that we will make this beautifier. So this is a one liner, or this is also called minification. So uh, making the every code entire code into the one line is called minification. So all we can do is HTML beautify. So this beautifier will format according to the HTML. So let's copy paste and format HTML in new window. So this is our HTML code. Now this is the CSRF token. So there is a lot of things going on. So here this is another packer, I think so. So one thing you can inspect is there will be a random token. So here it is, analytics.load. So it's loading some randomly generated token and then it's showing the page invite. So maybe this can be our secret or random generated token. Let's copy this. Okay, now where we are, so let's close this one. So this is the JavaScript. Okay, let's copy this and JS Nice. So JS Nice is a website which you can deobfuscate this obfuscated JavaScript code. So obfuscation means, so you can, there is a code you can understand in the human language, like console.log of variable, then you will get easily. So there is this obfuscation to hide from others to review the code. So here you can enter this obfuscated code and you can get the nice meaning of this JavaScript function. So paste it in here and click on this nicify JavaScript. So I think this is the one we got this. Maybe we so let's nicify again. So this is the uh, uh, code we need to actually examine. You can see this is the Ajax request. So there is a post request. So this is the make invite code. This is the function maybe executed on the server side, or we need to send the post request in the type JSON format to this URL. Okay, I think so. So you can see on success we need to send it as a variable a, and it is outputting onto the console log of server. So okay, we need to make the post request to this in a JSON format and to this URL. So you can use the curl but I am not going to open the Parrot now, so I am going to use the online curl. So let's try this post request curl -s to don't display unnecessary data, and we need to specify this URL, that is this one. Let's copy this one, sorry. So hack the box, that is the domain name, and the path is this one, and we need to send the parameters like the post data. So D for data, and you can see here the function is taking the a as a variable name. So I think we need to send this data as a variable. So let's copy this, and a is equals to paste this one, and we need to say type post. Let's send this one. So could not resolve hack the box, sorry for that. So, okay, we have got the success, and we have got some data. You can see this is the data, and the encryption type is rot 13, which is rotate 13. So let's copy this one, and let's say rot 13 decoder, and let's go ahead and decode this one, paste it in here, and click on this rot 13. So in order to generate the invite code, make a post request to API invite generate. So we need to remove this one, remove this how to. So this is the correct URL now, so we need to make the API invite generate. So that's fine, API invite generate, and click on send. So we have got this one, this code. You can see a string ending with the is equals to, maybe in the most of cases it's a base 64. So let's say base 64 decoder, and paste it in here and decode this one. So this is the invite code. Let's copy this and paste it in here, and click on sign up. Now you can see congratulations. Now we can put the username here and email and the password, and accept these checkboxes and register. So that's all how you do the sign up for the hack the box. It's pretty easy. It's the art about this JavaScript obfuscation.